Hey guys, it's Mr. Elting here to help you out with problem number F from our double cross puzzle for homework tonight. If we go ahead and look at this problem, it's a little different than the other ones because instead of a fractional sort of denominator, we get this whole fraction out front, which is sort of a pain. But believe it or not, this one isn't very different than the other ones in that we can just distribute these fractions, and when we multiply it through, we basically end up with 1/10 m plus 1/10 8, which we can write that all with a common denominator. We can just write m plus 8 all over 10, and likewise minus m minus 5 over 15. All of this is, of course, equal to 1, as in the first step. And you know we have to find a common denominator. 30 would be a least common multiple of 10 and 15. I know that I can get 30 from 10 by multiplying it by 3. Now, since I'm multiplying the denominator by 3, I also have to multiply the numerator by 3. So let's go ahead and do that. What's 3 times m plus 8? Well, it's 3m plus 3 times 8 is 24. Minus, and we're going to do the same thing here. Again, I want a denominator of 30. To get that, I multiplied 15 by 2. And also multiply m minus 5 by 2. So when I do this, again, I'm going to multiply that through to get 2m minus 10. Of course, all of this is still equal to 1. I haven't done anything to change that side yet. Now that we're here, we can go ahead and subtract these two. So we're going to get 3m plus 24 minus this whole numerator. So if I just highlight this really quickly, since I'm subtracting the entire thing, I'm going to write it in parentheses. And later, I'm going to distribute that negative sign. You got to be really careful with that. Of course, this is equal to 1, and this is all being divided by 30 now. All right. Now that we're here, let's go ahead and subtract. 3m minus 2m is just m. Now 24 minus negative 10, we're actually adding them. And I'll get positive 34. Over 30 is equal to 1. Now, to get rid of this denominator, I'm going to do the opposite of dividing by 30. I'm going to multiply by 30. That will cancel those. But since I multiplied the left side by 30, I also multiply the right side. So we're left with m plus 34 is equal to 30. And for the final step here, we're just going to subtract 34 from both sides. Hopefully we're all comfortable with this one-step equation. And 30 minus 34 is, of course, negative 4. So m is negative 4. I'll go back to my sheet. Letter F is going to go here and here. So hopefully that helps you with the puzzle a little bit. If you have any questions about this, feel free to send me a message tonight, and I'd be happy to help you.